Hi, good morning. My name is Eduardo P. Herandoni Jr. I've been in a wheelchair for since October 2011. And first of all, I would like to greet everybody, happy 4th year anniversary to PWD Fellowship. It's been a long time. I also miss you, everyone. I do support you sa lahat ng mga programa, sa mga gusto pang mag-join sa ating PWD Fellowship, huwag kayo mahiya. Sana may encourage pa natin ibang tao o ibang mga kapwa ng PWD na lumaban lang sa buhay, huwag susuko. Think always positive lang. Kahit no matter what, always be positive. Nandiyan si Lord, hindi nito pabayaan sa lahat ng oras. Again, once again, happy anniversary, 4th year anniversary. To God be the glory. God bless you all.